honestly, I don't think that it will change any color.
Oh my God. Who did your nail? Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh my God.
What?
It's cracked.
Oh no. I've seen this online. Take one of the bananas. Okay, take them off. And with your cracked screen, you want to unpeel it. Yeah, peel the banana. Okay, now get rid of that part right there. You don't want that part. And rub the peel onto the phone, okay? And rub it in circles. Just rub it in circles and keep going in circles. Yeah, you want to get it into all the grooves and the cracks on the phone. Yep. Keep rubbing all the way to the very bottom. Rub it to the very, very bottom. Great. Keep going. Yep. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, stop. All right, cool. All right, now what you want to do is you want to take the toothpaste, okay? Take this toothpaste and squeeze it in a zigzag down the phone, okay? Now go slow so it can actually get into every groove and crack. All right, you don't want to spread that too fast. Make sure it's nice and even. All right, awesome. Yep. Keep going.
I hope this
This is what works. I know it works. All right, yep. Keep going all the way down. Perfect. Stop. Okay. Now I need you to just smear that with your fingers. Smear it with your fingers. Yep. Perfect. And keep smearing. Yep. Perfect. Yeah. Keep going. Talk.
Okay.
Man.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I've never seen this before.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Stop.
Okay.
All right. Cool. All right. So look.
Okay.
You got to take this right here. All right.
Okay.
Take that. All right. Get some scissors. Can I get some scissors? Okay. Yep. It'll heal. Perfect. Cut that open. All right. And take this jar. Open that up. Put the rice inside of here. Okay. Put the rice inside. I might fill it. I'll fill it all the way up to the very, very top. Great. Okay. Perfect. Now put the phone inside.
Okay.
All right. Just stick it. Yeah. Stick it in just like that. Perfect. Stick it in deeper.
Wow.
Okay. Perfect. Awesome. Now take the lid. Put it on top. Okay. Yep. Keep shaking it. Shake it and give it a good shake. Okay.
If this works, that'd be crazy.
I know, right?
Jeez.
Just keep shaking it. Keep shaking it.
If my phone was cracked, I'd be very upset.
Yeah. Keep shaking it. Now it's gonna seal up every groove and crack.
Wow.
Every groove and crack. Yeah. Beautiful.
Jake, what your mom gave
Keep going.
Oh my God.
It's gonna seal every little groove and crack in there.
Wow.
Hold the top so the things will fly off. Yeah. I want you to break that. Keep going. You only gotta shake it for a little longer. That's it.
Okay.
You're almost done. And it
get
should.
all of
Yeah. Keep it more flat. You want to keep it just like that.
Okay.
Keep going flat. Yeah.
Wow.
Perfect. It helps to get into the grooves. Okay. Awesome. And then you give me this stuff right here. Okay. I want you to go ahead. Put it down.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. Unlid it. Uncap it. All right. Hey, grab a paper towel. Pull it out of the rice. Yep. Okay. Now wipe the rice off the phone.
Wow.
All right. Just wipe it. Wipe it off.
Wow.
Oh my God. What?
Hey, bro.
Oh my God, it worked.
I can't believe this.
The cracks are
Does it turn
gone.
on? See if it turns on.
Hold on. Oh,
What?
yeah, it turns on.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Way.
Thank you.